Worship Guitar Theory. This is Nigel. Today we're going to go through the guitar 2 or the rhythm parts for My Testimony by Elevation Worship. Now, even though it's labeled rhythm guitar, there are lead parts in it as well, I guess because it constitutes more rhythm than it does for the lead parts. Now, if you missed the lead part video, there's a link down below for that as well. I also want to sort of give a bit of a kudos to the Worship resource. If you want to watch the lead and rhythm parts together, there's a link below as well to hear those parts together. One disclaimer with the tabs coming up for this playthrough is that the numbers are absolute. So even though the capo is on the 2nd fret, then they're not relative. So that means that if there's a number 2 written in the tab, that means it is the 2nd fret on the guitar. So with the capo on, it's open. Just play it without any fingers on your left hand. The reason for that is I think if you have arithmetic on the fly when you've got relative numbers, it's just too difficult when you're playing up high. So I want to keep it sort of simple and consistent in that manner. Anyway, I'm going to jump to the playthrough now. Enjoy it. All the chords and tabs will be there. If you get a lot out of it, please subscribe, share, give it a like or a comment, and we'll see you next time.